To work out the formula for calculating the volume of a triangular prism, it's useful to start by imagining the shape. So here's a picture of a triangular prism. Can you see the triangle at the end of the shape? So the dimensions of this triangular prism are 3 by 4 by 5. So let's think about the area of the end face, that triangular shape. The area of the triangle is actually half of the area of the rectangle. So in the right-hand picture, you can see the triangle, and then on the left-hand picture, there's the triangle, but it shows you that it's half of the area of the rectangle. So can you work out a formula for calculating the area of the triangle based on the width and the height? Pause now and have a think. Okay, I wonder how you got on. So the area of the triangle is half of the area of the rectangle. And the area of a triangle is half of the base times the height, because the rectangle's area is base times height. So the area is half of that. Area of the triangle is half of that. Half of 3 times 4. Now, 3 times 4 is 12, so the area of the triangle is half of 12. Remember, you can read the times symbol as of. Half of 12 is 6. And remember to put centimetres squared for area, because we're thinking about the area at the moment. So if we use width instead of base, then the area of the triangle is half times width times height. So to work out a formula for calculating the volume of a triangular prism, what we can do is find the area of that triangle and then multiply it by the depth of the prism. So we take the area of the end triangle and we multiply it by the depth. So we've got 6 centimetres squared times 5 centimetres, which is the depth, equals 30 centimetres cubed. So this actually makes sense when you think about it using the following diagram. The triangular prism is exactly half of the volume of the cuboid in the picture. So the formula for the volume of a triangular prism is half times W width times D depth times H height, or half WDH. Because remember, when you're in algebra, when you've got letters next to each other, that means that they're multiplied. So half WDH, half times the width times the depth times the height. So your task is to calculate the volume of triangular prisms. I've done one for you, and I'd like you to try to find all triangular prisms which have a volume of 24 centimetres cubed. So you can see on this one, I've got a small green check mark or tick mark showing that the volume is 24. So experiment with different values, put the values into the width, depth, height column, and calculate the volume by using that formula, half WDH, half times the W times the D times the H. And then in the drawing column, you can write down, you can label your diagrams, and then show your workings out in the workings out column. Good luck with that.